Who am I? Touch and feel flap book. Farm animals. When I hear cock-a-doodle-doo, I cluck good morning to you too. Who am I? I'm a chicken. My footprint. My little one is a chick. Chicken eggs come in different sizes and colors. I have feathers and a comb on my head. The rooster crows in the morning. Where my family grazes happily, is the field I most like to be. Who am I? I'm a cow. My footprint. My little one is a calf. Cows produce milk that can make cheese and butter. I have not one, but 4 stomachs. I have a good sense of smell. I like it cozy and not too cool. Luckily I have warm, fluffy wool. Who am I? I'm a sheep. My footprint. I only eat yummy plants. There are many colors of sheep and sheep's wool. A girl sheep is a ewe and a boy is a ram. My little one is a lamb. As I munch on tasty hay, you'll see me trot, gallop and play. Who am I? I'm a horse. My footprint. To say hello, I neigh, whinny or bray. I'm strong and good at pulling and carrying things. A girl horse is a mare and a boy is a stallion. My little one is a foal. I happily butt heads, climb and play. When hungry I'll eat grass or hay. Who am I? I'm a goat. My footprint. My little one is a kid. Farmers like our wool and milk. Most goats grow horns. I'm an excellent climber. More farm animals. Ostrich, cat, pony, peacock, donkey, turkey, rabbit, mouse. The end. Please, subscribe. It helps me a lot.